Hi, Anand sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. I'm doing fantastic. How are you? Thank you for asking.
Yes, I'm doing amazing. How is
Great,
your
great.
morning?
Yeah, morning has been quite good. I woke up very early today because last night I slept early. So I woke up early. I finished my daily activities, and since then I have been busy. I have been working. Yeah, I'm also 8 minutes late in this session because of the work. Yeah. Anyway, so
Okay.
how are you doing? How have you been? What
Yes,
is
I've
going
been
on?
doing well. It's
Eh,
a holiday. It is the holiday today, so I'm looking forward to various things. I can do various things today. I can do conversation with you. It is like it's an honor for me,
Oh,
and I have
great,
other
great.
plans as well.
Thank you. Yeah, and I'm also feeling very happy joining with you. So, what do you do?
So I work in it's a US based company. Recently started working with this company. So I'm in the training phase. So I have to do my training starts at 11 a.m. till 8 p.m. So it's quite difficult for me to do conversation in the daytime. So that was the reason I told you I will look for any window in the coming days. So it was fortunate for me that today is Christmas and I have holiday. So I messaged you. I think in the evening last night, last day,
Last
right?
night.
That was it.
Okay, great, great. So you are enjoying your holidays.
Okay, so you told me you are doing working as well. And are you, first of all, I want to know, are you an early bird? Because you woke
Yes,
up.
I'm an early bird most of the time, but in winter I'm not an early bird. But today
Okay,
I woke up very early in the morning. That's why I told you, yeah, I woke up early in the morning. In summer, I wake up very early in the morning because I love to go to morning walk, and I also love to spend morning time in nature. So that's why. But in winter, I also feel kind of a little bit, what can I say, not active. I feel cozy under the blanket. So I love blanket in winter. In winters, also, if I have work, then I wake up early.
okay. I can understand. Like in the winters, it's quite difficult to get out of the blanket because it is too cold. See,
Yeah, it is too cold.
basically I'm residing in Chandigarh right now. It's not that much cold because I'm basically from Kashmir. So in Kashmir, it's quite cold. It is quite difficult to go outside in the morning, but somehow it is convenient in the Chandigarh. But like it is when in winters, it is cold. We cannot say no matter where you are living, but in the winter it is cold. You are feeling cold in the winter, right?
Yeah, we are feeling cold. But let me tell you one thing. Especially this year, it happens some years, but this years we have a good sunlight outside. Like still, sun is very harsh, so it looks like summer in daytime. Just we feel cold during morning and evening. Not even in evening. In morning time, we feel cold. Yeah, if we are in home, we need to wear a sweater. If even if I would not like to wear, I cannot. It's not necessary. But in outside, you cannot live in sweater. This is too hot here right now. I don't know why, but in these days, temperature should be around 9, 10 in our locality too. But this year, because of I think climate change or something like that, we are not feeling cold. We don't have winter so far. It looks like we are still in summer.
Okay, got it. So basically, you are from Bihar, right?
Yes, I'm from Bihar. Yeah.
Oh, there are two colleagues working with me. They are from Bihar. So
Okay.
basically, from which district you belong to?
Belong from Darbhanga district. The
Darbhanga.
city is called Darbhanga. Yeah, Darbhanga.
Darbhanga. Okay, got it.
Where are they
Okay,
from?
I think they are basically from Bihar, but they are residing in Chandigarh from quite some years. I did not ask where you are basically from Bihar, but I got to know because I know like your residence where you are from. I have watched various videos of yours, so I got to know you
Mhm.
are from Bihar. I recognize that I have to do conversation with Anand. He is from Bihar, so I got to know that there are two colleagues at that time. So I will
Okay, great.
I will reveal it from where you are from, and I will definitely told them that I met a guy. He's from Bihar, and I got a conversation with him.
Wow.
Okay, so I think I did not introduce myself. Do I need to introduce
Yeah.
myself?
Yeah, you
Sorry,
can introduce a little bit.
sorry, I forgot to do that.
No problem. Yeah, we can introduce at any point of time.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my name is Omar Fayaz. I'm from Kashmir. I have completed my masters, and currently I'm residing in Chandigarh. I'm doing job with the US based company, which I already told you. So I have recently got the job in the said company, and I'm doing work with it. So this is a little bit about my introduction. And apart from that, I'm also running a YouTube channel where I upload English conversations. Like we are doing the English conversation, so these kind of conversation I'm also uploading on my YouTube channel. So this is all about my introduction.
Great.
I want to know one more thing from you. Like you have quite like you have various audience. You have crossed to 1 million, I think, 1 lakh,
No, 1 lakh.
right?
Yeah,
1 lakh.
1 lakh
Sorry, 1 lakh.
33,000.
Yes. So, what is your aspiration? What is your aspiration as a YouTuber? Do you have any aspiration? Do you have any plans that I have to go to this point? After that, I can relax myself. Or what are your thoughts?
Now, see, I don't have any thought about my YouTube channel, but definitely I have goal in my mind for my own English, and that's why I think yes, my English journey will also drive my YouTube channel along with me. So I'm working on my English. I'm working on my communication skill. I'm training my students here at my institute. So my whole time is now dedicated to English. Apart from English, I have also other works like I'm manager of the Read and Achieve classes, founder and director and manager right now. So I do all these things. Yeah, it is the institute for IIT, JEE, NEET, and right now even for communication skills. So like kind of whole work summarized together. And apart from that, I'm doing my YouTube. So I don't have any goal like reaching to millions, 2 millions, 3 millions, but I have goal to helping out the people. So I don't know how long or how far I'm gonna go, but definitely I am walking and I will keep walking. And you know, once you keep walking, you keep going, definitely milestones are going to come across and you are going to hit the milestones. So whether it is million, I have seen people achieving 10 million, 20, 10 million, 15 million subscribers, even more than that. So like, it's a just milestone. So I don't think about it. I just think about my content and, helping out the people, and other things are going to happen. It's on.
Mind blowing. This is the intention I'm thinking of that. Whether like to be honest, when you will start any new thing, so you will face criticism, you will face difficulties, but at the same time, I think what I'm doing to to go with my what I'm aspiring for is the thing that how I can give benefit to the people.
All
To be
right.
honest,
Yes, it
I
is.
I
It
have
is the right
also
approach.
I have also some aspiration, some aims, some ambitions, but it is not the thing that I have to gain a lot of audience and all these things. But the intention always is how I can give benefit to the people and how I can improve myself as a personality, as a personality, and as an English student, right? So this is the intention, and this is the thing of how we can improve ourselves day by day. I like
Yeah,
it. I like.
and I believe in one thing: if you are improving yourself, your intention is positive and right, then you are gonna achieve anything. Even you don't have imagined about it, you don't have thought about that you can go so far and you can go that place too. So I think always I'm not goal oriented person, but after all, the way I'm going towards any goals or any things, I think it itself becomes a goal and I achieve it. Like for example, when I had started my YouTube channel, I didn't had any idea in my mind I'm gonna reach 100K someday or like this, but I kept on working and I got 100K, and who knows, yeah, millions will be also on the way. So just I have to work on myself, and what I want, what vision I keep in my mind, I have to just go there, and my vision is clear, then definitely I'm gonna get audience and everything there.
Obviously, but this is the thing. This should be the intention. And to be honest, when you are improving yourself, so it's obvious you will gain a lot of audience, will gain a lot of attention as well. But
Yes,
the thing is, you have to improve yourself, whether it is
of
in the
course.
real life or whether it is in on the YouTube.
Improvement is kind of symbol that you are alive. We think that only when somebody stops their breathing, then only they die. It's not reality is that when you stop improving yourself, learning in this world, you die, right? So that's why I think if you keep improving every day, you are rejuvenating yourself, whether it is learning the language or any other skills. So and even look at the history, whoever has achieved something significant, they have been improving themselves every day, and they have been striding towards the right directions every day, and that's how they got it. So that's what goal in my mind, that I have always to improve myself. Yeah. And I have to also help people to improve themselves. That's what I'm doing with my students here at Read and Achieve classes and on my channel English Finglish.
Obviously there is always improvement. There is always a room for improvement, whether it is real life or whether it is any journey, right?
Right,
And
yes, it
one more
is.
thing, I have seen your videos. You are doing vlogging as well. I have seen one of your channel. You are doing vlogging as well. Are you fond of traveling as well?
Yes, I'm very fond of traveling, and I think I have done lots of blogging. Just very few videos are uploaded there because of lack of time. I cannot edit it, and even I don't have kind of good skill at editing. So blog needs lots of editing, where to put right song or like thoughts. So because of that, I have not uploaded many videos, but I have traveled many places and I have blogged myself. So yeah, I'm doing it just for fun.
Oh, we are on the same page. I'm also fond of traveling, and but I have not making the vlogs till now. But I'm thinking. But I thought my intention was to do vlogging, but in the English. So how difficult it will be for me to do vlogging in the English?
No, I have done. So I have experience of blogging in English. I think it is quite difficult, very difficult for me. It was very difficult for me, but after all, I did it. But later on, I found like, I'm not able to put the vibe that needed in blog videos. So I need to switch to Hindi. Yes, we can blog in English. But what happens, like, we have to describe everything within from our heart, like in which situation you are, what are you doing. So what happens when you switch to English, perhaps these feelings get affected because of the language barrier. And that's why I switched to Hindi. Like when you are in beautiful mountains, you have to narrate the beautiful story about the mountain. So it is a kind of easy to describe in Hindi, and very lively words comes out of your mouth in Hindi rather than English. So that's why I left it. But you can do it. It's sometimes I also do, like if I go to travel, I make my mind I'm gonna do few videos in Hindi and few videos in English. So you can also try it.
Obviously, you figure out one thing. Like it is important when we are going somewhere, when we had to explore. So we will explore it in a better way in our mother tongue. When we will start doing it in English, so it is quite difficult. We can do it. We will not put the suitable vocab or suitable vibe in it. How we can
Right.
describe? Suppose we are going on any mountain, so it is quite difficult for us to describe it in the English. But when it comes to the our mother tongue, we can explain, we can describe it in a better way. So this is the thing. But I think yes, I have made one video. I did not upload that on my YouTube channel because that was from another aura. So we had to confine it to the one aura. We cannot put the another like video. So that was. But I tried. Like I said how I can do vlog. How what will the difficulties will I face while doing vlogging?
Wow.
So I was trying my like how what which difficulties I will face. But I did not face too much difficulties. But that was not the uh, like it was that was shopping mall. I went to the shopping mall, so I was
Okay.
trying like how the shopping mall is looking like and how big it is and these things. So I tried it. But I think at that time I thought if we will do it in the both languages, in the English and in the Hindi as well, because in the both languages we can if we suppose we are facing difficulties while describing some place or something, so we can use Hindi in between. I think this is the right way to do vlogging. We can do it in the English and the Hindi, and like for quite some time, when we will get experience in that, we can do it in English only. So I
Yeah.
think this is the right approach to do vlogging in English.
Yeah, it is right idea. Like you can do with English. We say Hindi and English together, English, and lots of people are doing it. So yeah, it is good approach to do a blogging with English. But it depends on you. Like what kind of creation you want to create. Like somebody right now, it's common to speak in English. Even sometimes I want to speak in Hindi, but few words would come out of my mouth in Hindi. It happens. Recently, I have been speaking in mother tongue Mathli on one of the performance was being performed in this like local area. So I was guest there, but I saw that kind of 15 to 20% words were coming out of my mouth in English instead of Mathli. Mathli is one native language we speak here. So it happens on its own. So yeah, anyhow you can do in English. It is the best medium right now. Even a big content creator, they are neither speaking in Hindi nor in English. They are using English. I have seen them using. So yeah, it is good approach too.
Because when we are adopting to something, so it comes naturally from your mouth. Because
Yes, it
when
comes.
you must have experienced it when you have started the English journey, so it was quite difficult for you to pronounce the words, to come the words, English words naturally. But nowadays it comes naturally. You don't have to put a lot of efforts to come out these words. So this is the thing we have. When we will adapt to these things, after that these things will come naturally from our mouth.
Yeah, it comes. It comes. So I have a question like since how long you have been speaking English? I know you are doing a job in a corporate sector where English is needed. So how did you learn English?
Okay, so basically, I would say my journey starts with YouTube. Basically, I was not aware about the online platforms where I can speak with the co-learners, with the co-learners. I started English, speaking English, not speaking but listening to English videos on the YouTube, and I got the ad about the applications. I installed that. I keep speaking, I keep practicing for nearly 6 months with the co-learners
Mhm.
on those online platforms. And after that, when I see like on YouTube, various people are making content on the YouTube, and they are quite good, famous, not famous, but they get the fluency. So I
Right.
thought I should also make a YouTube channel, and I started
Mhm.
YouTube channel on 15th August 2024. And in between I took a break because due to some reasons, I had to do some work, because I'm from Kashmir. So we have 3 months a season of apples, so I was busy with that. I took a break for 3 months. After that, I started working on my YouTube channel now.
Okay,
But
interesting thing. Like you do 3 months of Apple season. What do you do there? Can you narrate about it?
yes, we used to pluck apples from our trees, and after we do packing, and we send to them to the other states of India. So this is, you
Oh,
must have, we get the revenue, we get the income from those apples. So this is
okay, got it, got it. Apple orchards.
apple
So
orchards, apple orchards.
okay. So I got it. So it is season, like you guys have apple orchard. So you go and sell all these apples in those 3 months, right? What is the
We
season
use
of this apple?
it is for 3 months, from September to November, of
Okay,
3 months.
September to November. That's why we get kind of it get cheaper in our area in October, November, December, kind of January till January, February. It is
Absolutely.
cheaper. Okay, because there is season in your area, so you guys supply
Yes.
here all in all these states. Okay, got it.
Yes.